Hey, Celeb 20 fans, buckle up because we are diving into a story that's stranger than fiction, literally. Imagine adopting a sweet little girl only to suspect she might actually be a grown woman pretending to be a child. Sounds like the plot of a Hollywood thriller, right? Well, believe it or not, this actually happened. And now Hulu's gripping new drama, Good American Family, is bringing this jaw-dropping story to life. Let's break it all down. Good American Family, set to premiere on March 19 on Hulu, takes inspiration from one of the most bizarre and controversial adoption cases in modern history, the Natalia Grace Barnett case. While the show doesn't directly use the real names, its premise mirrors the shocking true events that made headlines across the world. So who is Natalia Grace? Back in 2010, an Indiana couple, Christine and Michael Barnett, Natalia was diagnosed with spondylopiphyseal dysplasia congenita, a rare genetic disorder that affects bone growth and causes dwarfism. But what was supposed to be a heartwarming adoption story quickly turned into something straight out of a horror movie. Shortly after Natalia joined their family, the Barnetts claimed they started noticing stranger things. They alleged that Natalia had pubic hair, a menstrual cycle, and an advanced vocabulary far beyond that of a young child. Even more disturbingly, they accused her of being violent, mentally unstable, and plotting to harm them. The Barnetts were so convinced that Natalia was actually an adult masquerading as a child that they went to court. In 2012, an Indiana judge legally changed Natalia's birth records, making her 22 years old, despite medical evidence suggesting she was still a child. With this new legal identity, the Barnetts soon abandoned her, leaving her to live alone in a rented apartment while they moved to Canada. The case quickly became a media sensation while people divided over whether Natalia was an innocent victim or a con artist. The Barnetts were eventually charged with neglect for abandoning her, but those charges were later dismissed. Meanwhile, Natalia continued to insist that she was a child all along and had never deceived anyone. Fast forward to today, and Natalia is living a completely different life. Now in her 20s or 30s, depending on which documents you believe, she is working on getting her GED, learning to drive, and planning surgeries for a condition. She even has a boyfriend and dreams of becoming a teacher. Talk about a dramatic transformation. While Hulu's Good American Family doesn't use Natalia's real name, it's clear that her story inspired the plot. The show follows a Midwestern couple who adopt a girl with dwarfism only to become suspicious of her true age and intentions. Their paranoia grows, leading to a courtroom showdown that plays out in the media. Hollywood star Ellen Pompeo from Grey's Anatomy leads the cast as the adoptive mother, while Mark Duplass takes on the role of the father. Rising actress Imogen Faith Reed plays the mysterious adopted girl at the heart of it all. With a gripping storyline and powerhouse performances, this series is set to have audiences hooked from the very first episode. Mark your calendars. Good American Family premieres on March 19th on Hulu, with the first 2 episodes dropping on launch day. After that, new episodes will be released weekly. If you have a Disney Plus subscription with the Hulu add-on, you can watch it there too. The Natalia Grace story is one of the most baffling adoption cases in history. Whether you believe she was a misunderstood child or a master manipulator, one thing's for sure, this story is unforgettable. And now, thanks to Hulu's Good American Family, a whole new audience will get to experience this real-life mystery in dramatic fashion. Thanks for hanging out with us here on Celeb 20. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more jaw-dropping celebrity stories and Hollywood drama. See you next time.